Namaskar, you are watching The Awaaz and I am Tanishka Chauhan with you. Let's have a look on today's Uttarakhand News Bulletin. CM Pushkar Singh Dhami appointed Pawandeep Rajan as the brand ambassador of Uttarakhand in art, culture and tourism. Indian Idol winner Pawandeep Rajan met Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami at his residence on Wednesday. On this occasion, CM Pushkar Singh Dhami congratulated Pawandeep on winning the title of the Indian Idol. At the same time, Pawandeep Rajan also sang a song to Chief Minister Dhami in his melodious voice. Let us inform that Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami appointed Pawandeep Rajan as the brand ambassador of Uttarakhand in art, tourism and culture. CM Dhami said that Pawandeep Rajan has illuminated the name of Uttarakhand in the country and the world with his talent by rising from normal situations. BJP MLA Kailash Ghaitodi was also present during this. Harish Rawat's statement on Punjab dispute did not hand over entire Congress to Sidhu. There is turmoil in the Punjab Congress these days, but the state in charge and former Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, Harish Rawat, has not considered the controversy that has arisen in Punjab as serious. He says that speaking with the party and expressing displeasure does not come under the category of rebellion. Rawat also said that it is not that the party has handed over the entire Congress to Navjot Singh Sidhu. Harish Rawat told that the angry minister and MLA had met party president Navjot Singh Sidhu on Tuesday. After that, he asked for time to meet me. Today, I will try to find a way out by listening to his words. Raining as a disaster cloud burst in Khaprawala of Dehradun. It is raining like a disaster in Uttarakhand. The situation has worsened due to heavy rains in many parts including the capital Dehradun. Late in the night too, the turn exploded in Khaprawala near the Santala Devi temple of Dehradun, due to which many feet of debris and mud was filled in the houses. However, there was no loss of life or property during this period. On the other hand, the Rispana and Bindar rivers were in spate due to incessant rain in the city. Due to this, hundreds of houses on the banks of both the river were flooded. In addition, many houses were also threatened. Apart from this, there was heavy rain in the surrounding areas as well. Due to the heavy rain that lasted for about 3 hours, the river drains were overflowing and many books were washed away. Along with water entering houses, trees and electric poles were also reported to have fallen at many places. At the same time, due to landslides in the hilly areas, the roads are getting blocked time and again. Joshimath Malari Highway in Chamoli could not open despite all efforts. This road is closed since last 11 days. Congress will demonstrate in support of the unemployed on August 27 in Dehradun. On August 27, in support of the unemployed Youth Congress under the leadership of National President of Youth Congress, Srinivas Bibi, will gather in Dehradun to siege the assembly. A large number of workers will join Kumaon in their protest. In the meeting organized at Swaraj Ashram, a strategy will be made to make the assembly siege program a success. District President Gajendra Singh Gonia said that the responsibility of the officer of every district has been fixed. In all the BJP-ruled states, Youth Congress is organizing large-scale demonstration regarding employment and other matters related to youth. The Congress High Command is adopting this strategy to instill enthusiasm among the youth congressmen before the elections. That is why the national president himself is leading these demonstrations in order to unite and show strength in front of the power. Orders have been issued regarding increase in internship stipend of students doing MBBS, BDS internship in state medical colleges operating in the state of Uttarakhand. Now, MBBS intern doctors of medical colleges in Uttarakhand will be given a stipend of Rs 17,000. Till now, they were getting Rs 7,500. Revised orders have also been issued in this regard. For your information, stipend of interns doctors had not increased for the last 11 years. Thank you and keep watching The Awaaz for the more latest updates.